Good afternoon. Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. It is Wednesday. I'm gonna get her shoved out and get her washed. Monday night we unloaded it, spent the night washing the hauler and cleaning it up. Got all the rugs washed. Dave come out last night and did all the bolt checks. We had a bent right front spindle from Saturday night as well as a ball joint. He got all that fixed. We got to take the spoiler off and straighten it up because it got smashed on Saturday night. Door's not in too bad a shape, but we got a new one to put on. Quarter panel, however, I think it's pretty much done. It's ripped in two, busted there. But we're going to get after it here in just a minute. Daryn will be here shortly, and we're going to get her all cleaned up and get her put back together so we can go racing Peevely again on Saturday night. And then Tuesday, July 4th, we plan on going to Granite City for the 5,000 to win Summer Nationals round 2 there. Stay tuned. Well, she's cleaned up, waiting on our parts order from Rocket. We got a new fender flare coming for here, since that one was pretty much destroyed. We got a new deck panel coming, actually 2 new. That's the holdup right now. So waiting on that stuff. Hopefully it'll be here tomorrow. If not, Doug's already starting to flatten this one out so we can use it as a template to build a new one. Not too bad. We've got about 15 nights on it. Wash the rugs for the trailer. We're going to give her the old what for in the forklift.
Step down on there.
There you go. There you go.
Now flip it over.
Well, it's Thursday night about 4:30. We are going to get going on a car, try and get it put back together. Do me a favor, if you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. That really helps push the video out there to get new viewers. Stick around, see what we got going on.
a half a revolution.
So this is why we mark our axles. You can see how much it's twisted. This is the left rear axle. We put a new one in tonight. Well, we got the right side put on. I believe they're coming tomorrow to put the wrap on. The fender flare. We need the fender skirt still. I think we're getting one of them tomorrow to put on. Put shocks on it, wheels and tires, and it's ready to go in the trailer. The old quarter panel is done. Got a new composite quarter panel on there. So, looking good. The plan is to race Saturday night at Peavey, local show there. Then Tuesday the plan is to go to Granite City Speedway, Tri-City Raceway, for the 5,000 to win Summer National show, as long as we got something left after Saturday night. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Leave us a comment. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right hand corner. Catch y'all later.